When taken orally, Gaviscon forms a protective barrier on the surface of the contents of the stomach, preventing acid from being refluxed from the stomach into the esophagus for up to 4 hours. Decreased sensation 3 to 4 minutes after perception. Indications: symptomatic treatment of dyspepsia associated with increased acidity of gastric juice and gastroesophageal reflux, heartburn, sour belching, feeling of heaviness in the stomach after the perception of food, include during pregnancy, gastric and duodenal ulcer, headburn, reflux esophagitis, gastritis. How is the course of administration and dosage? Inside, after meals and at bedtime. Adults and children over 12 years old, 10 to 20 milliliters. The maximum daily dose is 80 milliliters. Children 6 to 12 years old, 5 to 10 milliliters. The maximum daily dose is 40 milliliters. For all the patients, dose changes are not required. Contraindications: hypersensitivity to any of the components of the drug. Children's age up to 6 years. Use during pregnancy and lactation. Gaviscon may draw up during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Special instructions: in the absence of severity in symptoms within 7 days, it is necessary to deal with a doctor. Side effects: allergic reactions are possible.